So anyway, so let's go back around here on this back side if I don't crash this drone. And we'll be able to see some of these other newer styles we have. So of course we got the Gainesville. We're looking at changing that around too and making it more of a horizontal even type of rail that will be available. Yeah, that's right, horizontal, running horizontal instead of vertical the way it is now. But here's another option for the Gettysburg, but with our 3-inch Hanover picket. I actually prefer this one though much better in the concave approach, like right there in this concave look. I think it looks pretty good opposed to the 1.5-inch picket there, the typical Gettysburg style with our scallop. Then another thing that's becoming very, very popular that we like is going with our Yorktown, the typical classic Yorktown, but with the T-rail top. The T-rail top, which really, I mean, there's the standard one there, but then when you put that T-rail on there, boy, it just seems to make it really, really nice, and people like that. So, yeah, getting a lot of good feedback on that. So then here are our standard classic privacy fences you're all very familiar with. And then out front here, let's see if we can't get around here without crashing the drone. There's the popular hybrid style. Now this thing here also looks really good when you put a T-rail on the top, which is what we're thinking about going with that approach, just pretty much standard across the board, you know, to where it won't be as much of an option anymore. But I'm going to kind of rescue my drone here. He's getting a little squirrely. Got crashed. Yeah. So, oh, and then we have, of course, our aluminum fencing out here, which is awesome. And all of these different things. And what we're going to be showing you here is actually how to remove a section. This is something Nate and I got to get together. We'll show you how to remove this line post and remove the two sections, so then giving you a 12-foot opening, and you won't need a gate or anything like that for that one time in a year that you need mulch or something like that. And then also going to show how to kind of a little outdoor workshop here, how to hang a gate. And so we're excited about a lot of new different things. Trying to here again get my drone to cooperate with me. It's not wanting to. Try to get some elevation on this bad boy. But well, anyway. So let's see if it crashes. Nope, missed it. But so wow, he's really getting close, really getting aggressive. It's an aggressive drone, very aggressive. But I think we've already looked at this. Maybe our Tampa T-rail, which is very, very nice fence that we are really excited about pushing with that third middle rail there, even though it is only 4 foot high, but just adds a lot of class to it, especially with the 5-inch post. Wow. Yeah, you could run into that with your mower quite a few times and have no problems at all with that. So then we got the Fort Brooke oversized, 4 foot high. Of course, this is available in the 5 foot, 6 foot. If you get above this 4 foot, you do have to add the middle rail there. So we have that. All kinds of lot of options. Remember, if there's anything too that you have ever seen in Pinterest, different things like that, those are options. I mean, they're definitely available. They're things that we can do no problem. We can typically, since we do all our own fabricating, things like that, we would be able to match that up pretty much with anything that you are able to find out there. Of course, there's a lot of crazy stuff on Pinterest. Cannot guarantee we can match exactly, but we could probably mimic it pretty close. So, all right. Well, thanks for checking this out here, and we're just really excited about this coming spring, 2020, and all kinds of different new products we'll have in line and available, and also some new aluminum fencing, which we'll show you some of that coming up as well. Well, have a good evening.